Can you get in my room, please? Can you get in my room? I'm finna go. Can you follow me this way? Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Hey y'all. How y'all doing? Ooh, you see your girl.
But I'll be on it always, always and never.
Yeah, okay, so yeah. If you see that title, see that thumbnail, do you know what type of video this is? My name is thekeiilashawn for y'all who don't know. And we back with another video. Period. Okay, so I just been prolonging to leave this house. I'm trying to go get some seafood because I've been wanting it so bad, right? But I literally been in this house. If y'all don't follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Snapchat at thekeiilashawn. It's in the description box already. Yeah. And y'all see what I've been doing. So go check that out. But yeah, y'all, I really want some crawfish and some corn. And yeah, I just cannot leave this house. Like, I really can't. Like, and I want to go so bad. But I don't know. It ain't nothing left in this house for me to do. Like, baby. Hello? No, I have not left. Okay. Alright. I am dead, like motherfuckers, no, I do not be trying to leave, like, bro. It is crazy. It is crazy. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna, well, he said he finna pull up, so. Oh, let me go lock this door. Let me go unlock this door. But y'all, I don't know what the fuck. Like, I really don't know. Like, I don't know. Probably we gonna get some food together. And that'll make me feel better. I don't know. But it is literally up the street. Like, it's literally up the street. I don't know. I didn't like you in the cage for no reason. Come here, girl. There you go. I'm I'm dead. I just fucked up my hair and I'm still in here dancing. I probably want to go somewhere. I'm gonna go somewhere fun for adults. Y'all like my purse? Yeah. I don't know. I'm really hungry. Okay, y'all. Damn, how far was he? I don't know. I'm finna go to my car. Where my wallet? Okay, my wallet right there. My other phone right here. My lip chap, lip whatever right there. I think that's really it. Okay, I'm finna, well, me and my dog, we finna go walking and I see y'all in a minute. Peace. What kind of crawfish and
2 eggs?
yeah. I think that's different.
And the seasoning and spice level for you?
Mild and 12 pounds.
That's mine? Alright. Anything else you got? Alright, I'll take it about the way. You want like the butter, lemon, and
No,
seasoning?
can I keep this?
Oh yeah, cool, no problem.
Okay.
You want the butter, lemon, and seasoning on the side?
Yeah.
I got you. You got some.
What you keep on
We good. You never know.
You want something
I
else?
never just order 1 pound of crawfish. Like, that was real fun.
We gotta set up.
What? I am so dead.
stuck the head?
It all depends. Man, that ain't something you can ask me. It's not. It's not.
It's a funny question.
Yeah, and I literally have to think about it because I'm gonna tell you sometimes. Like, but it all depends
I
on
didn't even
what
talk
you're talking
about
about.
that. Damn, you said all the time. Yeah, you crazy. Soul snatcher.
Chill out.
Yeah, what's up now?
Oh my God. Yeah, he got my water right here. Thank you.
Damn, they ain't got no.
I still got the what you know about me in my head. Oh well, maybe I could just say this. Okay, so boom. A father took his son to prom, right? Okay, and then it was another post where the father and the son, like in the prom outfit or whatever. You know the dude that's always jumping in everybody's background while they do the walk? Okay, then they went from that, the prom pose to that pose right there. And now it's on, his picture is on Twitter. Like, I don't know if somebody bashing him or what, but I don't know. It's just really fucking irritating me. Cause what the fuck?
That's odd. A father taking his son to prom.
What you mean?
That's odd. You never knew nothing like that.
I mean, is it really?
Have you ever heard of that?
Okay, what if it was two fathers, a father and a son dressed in two tuxedos and dude was like, I want my daddy to take me to prom, like, I'm going to prom with my daddy, like. Do it matter if he in a full-blown tuxedo or if it's in a tuxedo dress?
All I'm saying.
So if
it's
your
different.
son was like, I want to go, like, take me to prom, you would tell him no?
Of course I wouldn't tell you no.
So how would you
But
get
a
off?
prom is usually going with some girl you like.
Stuff changing now.
I see.
Why am I seeing other? Oh, they got the tough bag.
You just weak today.
This is probably why it went missing in the summer. I swear. It is not meant for me to be here. It's not. I would have never did this if I was at home.
I think you probably would have been extra more cautious because you've been sitting in the bed.
Eat what in the bed?
Oh, you got wet tissue.
I would never. I would never. My thighs smell like seafood.
You got gloves too.
What I need a glove for? I ain't got no nails.
No. She accidentally waste her drink.
How you doing?
I bumped it.
Oh shit, I see that shit. I'll go tell them to make it over. I usually no worries. I'll go tell them.
Thank you.
Anything else good? You want us to ketchup or anything?
Yeah, a little more ketchup.
Ketchup, I got you.
Appreciate you. I just want to tell her the truth and shit. If I love it, I'll tell you. You were talking about how bad it is. I know you were talking about. And they
Okay.
got carpet.
Please be soft.
That's That's why you need gloves.
No, I don't. Do you use gloves for fufu? No, you don't. I never had it, but no. I don't like a whole potato. Why you marking me?
You've been marking over all motherfucking day.
No, I haven't.
Can you give me some Marines? Can you give me back some Marines?
Whatever.
Oh, okay.
You gotta bring up old shit. Oh, wait, how many pieces of crawfish did I eat? Oh, 2.
Shit, let me get that in. I would expect it to be spicy. I thought it was gonna be spicy.
If you would have dipped it in the sauce.
What, the butter?
No. There was no sauce on that, but alright. Whatever. Oh my god.
What was you looking for? Just answer me that. What was you looking for?
You ain't see that TikTok where like the crawfish be having them red babies in it? The babies? Go look it up on TikTok. I don't got time for that. I'm not sucking no baby. Thank you.
I'm gonna get you another star right now. Yeah, I didn't put it right there anymore. I was like, I'll put it right in the middle.
Thank you.
Eating pregnant crawfish.
Don't get in the first.
Nothing like the first time.
I was just hot. Now I'm cold.
Nigga never brought my ketchup.
You said he was gonna bring some ketchup. I don't got time to suck no head. Okay, not today.
That's nice.
That all depends if you paying or not.
That's what that
Shut up. Leave me
facial
alone.
expression.
But
I'm just admiring your skills.
I'm finna knock you out. I don't know. Seeing it is one thing. I swear, I'm checking all of these crawfish heads to see if it's any babies. Because I'm so scared. So scared. But okay, twin bird,
You
y'all
gotta
can-
check the food before you eat it. Something wrong. I don't think you should be eating it.
I never used to do that until I seen that. Like way before it was on TikTok. Like, I had seafood a couple of times. And I had a pregnant crawfish. So, that ain't never stopped me from eating crawfish. But it's always good to check. It's always good to check.
If the cook don't check it,
You can't open the crawfish up and then cook it.
she ain't eating it in the first place. That's a whole nother story. That's what
Get you some sauce. Some of that good
Eat
good.
that shit. Put that shit in your own body, not mine.
I'm dead.
So wait, ain't it meat in the claws too?
Yep.
So why don't you eat that?
You see that right here, right?
Turn it around and point it at the camera. You pointed this ass at the camera.
No what? Oh. My bad. I am dead.
She's. I know
What?
you got an A in that class. She not second her.
No cap. No cap. Wait, what's that class called?
Or biology.
Yeah. Biology? I was called in biology. I don't know, for some reason it was simple.
It was easy and it was interesting. Because if you ain't making something, you dissecting something. You taking something apart.
I mean, we didn't really dissect a lot, but
We dissected numerous amounts of frogs.
Okay, twin crab, y'all did real good.
So what, you dip this in the seasoning?
No,
What's the seasoning for?
crawfish or whatever. You don't dip it in the lemon, you idiot. You're slow.
I just don't take too quick.
Right. Okay. This is my last one. Let me do it the right way. There you go. Now. Now here, since you want to do it here.
Do what? No, you do this.
So boom. Take this, put some seasoning on it. Put some of the seasoning sauce on it.
That's what I'm gonna feed it to?
No. I don't like that seasoning. Come on, or dip it in the butter. I don't want it.
What's your crawfish?
So you ain't gonna try it.
I mean, it all depends. Suck it on the edge, not?
I'm fucked up. You stupid.
Crawfish is not something to eat with nails on.
But you can. Why would you do that, LaShawn? That is strong.
Switch.
Taste mine. No, I said taste it. No, I never had that crab cake. Try mussels. I did. Shut up.
No seafood. Yeah, that's so special. Really, hush puppies?
Hush puppies are good.
I don't want all 12 pieces of the mushrooms if you're not gonna get rid of them.
I'm not eating no mushrooms. If it was infused with weed, okay.
Hold that about.
No. Go ahead. If I want to try it, I'll buy one of yours, but I ain't never had it. Now, I think it's going, where we at? Right here? Okay, boom. Going that way, around the corner. Fable that one? Delicious.
But you never had them.
I'll try it.
What you try?
What is his name?
Combo fried rice. I was trying to see what that looked like.
What would he look like? I'm finna give him a name.
Who is that?
Call that nigga pretty.
Are he pretty? You tell her she
Don't do that.
She thinks she's pretty.
I like you. Oh. I'm already an auntie. Cause what are you talking about? No, it ain't.
Well, your first shower. Still
Nope.
craving tuna crab. Just know they gotta see for her too.
You funny. You funny. Excuse me. Oh, he going over there.
Call them cutie and shit.
I didn't say cutie. I said excuse me.
No, They call them cutie. You know, give them a nickname, remember?
I said pretty.
Oh, well, yeah.
If you ever watch Prison Break,
Tomato.
Michael, his name is Pretty.
Tomato.
I want to taste the food that falls and I'll be done. I don't want no more cravings. I think my cravings for it over with. I'll see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. This honestly not gonna work for my head. I need to go to the bathroom. Here. If I was just gonna put it in my pocket or something, I would have kept it. Can you put it in your lap or something? Your pocket? I don't know. Thank you. Oh, smell nice. What are you putting on that? Why would you do that? Okay, don't put none on that one. Why would you mess up a perfectly good wing? You put lemon pepper on an already hot wing.
Wingstop got lemon pepper hot? It's the same thing.
I don't know.
It's the same thing. Yes,
they don't got no lemon pepper hot. It's just lemon pepper.
Yeah.
No.
No pepper. I have to change this table top.
You know what? I do want a bit. Wingstop ain't got no lemon pepper hot.
I'm listening to the book.
I want a bit. Can you give me a napkin? Can you give me a napkin?
Give me a number.
Give me I want a car.
You want a car?
Bet. And when I figure out the name of the car, I'll tell you, but I want it pink. Okay. Can you look it up right now, please? You can just look up Wingstop menu or some shit. I don't know. Wingstop flavor menu. Flavor wings. I love me a lemon. Do you need help, sir?
I'm looking. Hold on a second. Dips.
What them booty and boys?
Keep fucking on that too.
Hey, y'all. I got a number in my pants. That lemon did a number on me.
I don't see that flavor. Ranch, blue cheese, honey mustard, sea sauce. What do you call it?
One of them. Can you take this, please? Thank you.
I probably take this. Six. No. Wing combo.
Okay, boom. Get the table ready like that. I like that. You taking too long.
No, it's it's not there. I don't see it.
Exactly. I want my pink
They
card.
must have taken it off.
No, because it was never.
It was.
No, it
It
wasn't.
was.
No, it wasn't. Question for today, y'all. Do Wingstop or did Wingstop have lemon pepper hot wings? Let me know in the comments. Let me know on my TikTok. I'm on my TikTok. Not my TikTok. Let me know on my Snapchat, thekeiilashawn. I'm gonna actually put. Who my phone? Can I have my phone, please? Can I have my pink card? I want my pink card. I want my pink card.
Let me know the name.
And it's expensive. It's 3 letters. Wait, is it a TA?
Is it a what?
A car named TA.
TA? No, what she was looking at, what you told me about was one.
I know what I told you, but I'm talking about
and
something
two,
else.
the G-Wagon.
No.
The two vehicles you ever
Forget
told me
that. No.
Hold your horses.
What am I looking at?
Read it. What about
No. We're not talking about
Did
Google.
Wingstop have
No. We're not talking about Google.
But you told me to Google it, didn't you? It's on camera. You told me to Google it. Google Wingstop flavors. Boom,
No.
there it is. Did Wingstop ever have lemon pepper hot?
Okay, tell me that wasn't a question. I take it back. You
Now you want to revise the
said
question.
they have it. They have it currently. So pull it up.
Oh my God.
Pull it up. You can't go off of Google because Google lying. You just looked on the app and you said the app ain't even have it on there.
It's your hands.
No. Oh, he brought the boudin balls. Let me see that. Oh, it's called a C8. What's a C8?
C8, like Charlie 8? Corvette?
That's a Corvette. Well, I want an all pink C8. Can you do that for me? Yeah. Bubblegum,
That's
blush.
pink. And you want the
That
pink
was
on your
happening.
shirt.
Don't be biting. Well, I don't know about no ranch. That's cool, but
The wings is good. Even with the lemon sauce, lemon pepper.
it's soft. That's why I like it. I was kind of worried. It's cool.
Chill. Yeah, finished. It's not finished.
But
The drink.
it's gonna get done. It's gonna get done.
The more I'm looking at this food, the more I'm finna eat it. Get it out of my face. Give me a little shake.
It's giving. It's giving sleep after this.
Shake.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Put to sleep.
Yo.
Because the minute that I found out that you broke up with me, because I told you no, and me knowing that no meant or really meant or not right now, but that you
Okay,
thinking
it's
it's like a
different.
no, not like, not ever.
It's a difference.
Yeah, just shut it up. Right now, because can you get it out?
Shut up. No, I'm telling you to shut the fuck up. No. It's a difference between a no and a not right now. If it's a not right now, say not right now.
I'm not gonna tell you that. I'm just saying no. I'm to say no.
Then you selling your own self up for
But
breakup.
I didn't even
Like,
think about you finna break up with me, though. So you broke up with me because I told you no?
that's possible. It's possible.
You want to start it up.
It's possible.
Declare war.
Undeclared war? No. This look like weed. Reggie. It do all smushed up and shit.
Dude,
Like,
nobody don't fucking with Regina. Get that Regina ass shit up out of here.
oh my gosh. Okay.
We need Paulette, the purple stuff.
All right. Let me see.
You gonna taste more with the leaves, lemon pepper on it?
No. Because 9 times out of 10, if I was here by myself, I wouldn't. I'd be like, what the fuck is that?
I
no.
told him to put it on the side.
Yeah.
It's good, man.
No cap, they're all good.
And juicy.
They got the flavor on it just right. Okay, come through for your girl because look here. My rewards work. I ain't gonna lie, the color's catching me. The color's catching me.
Again.
Okay, I don't want to finish that because I'm full, but it is good. I will order that. I would. Only thing I'm hungry for is the lemon.
This is my first time.
Oh, you're good. You're good. Y'all enjoyed the food and everything?
I'm real impressed with y'all boudin and balls and what was the wings?
The buffalo wing?
Buffalo wings, yeah, that's my favorite. That's how I do them all the time. I get the buffalo wings on it, I'll sprinkle some pepper seasoning on it. Yeah, that's my favorite.
Yeah, I like it. I fuck
Anytime I
with
go to
it.
Wingstop, I always get like the spicy lemon pepper as well or anything like that, yeah.
Yeah, lemon hot.
Yeah, they got spicy lemon pepper.
When was the last
But
time
thing-
you had
the
lemon
thing-
pepper hot wings?
Oh, like
I
how weeks ago.
literally just
Literally, like on the whenever you order on the app, they don't have like the seasoning on it, where you have to go up to the store and call them and be like, I want spicy lemon pepper.
I won.
I used to work there.
I won.
You didn't
I
win.
used to work there. They
No.
have a whole bowl for the mixing of it. I used to work there, yeah.
So if
Damn,
you was to go
It's
today
not on the
and
app.
order it,
It's
they'll
just-
give it to you.
Let me get a 20-piece lemon pepper, hot lemon pepper wings. They're like, okay, but like they use a whole different bowl. Like they put the buffalo in it, sprinkle a little bit on it, mix it, then they pour it on there and they sprinkle some more on top of it. You know?
So let me start looking at what car I want.
That is it. Thank you. Whatever, right? Whatever. I should have kept my mouth closed.
No, because I was going to ask for the orders in the place.
Whatever. I don't want to go. I still got some water left. I am dead. Okay, I need to go to the store and then I need to go take a shower to get the seafood smell off of me. I'm really full. I'm really full. What we finna do after this? You think it's still raining outside?
I don't give a damn if it is. Let's go do something. Let's go walk in the rain.
I'm not walking in the rain.
Let's go. Come on.
No.
We'll brainstorm while we're in the car. We can go roll up.
I really don't want to go home. I need guards.
Well, we can go get it.
Okay, y'all. I see y'all when I'm back at home, or I just feel the need to pick up a camera. See y'all later. Driving was a problem. Okay, y'all. Clearly, driving was a problem. But thank you to my boo, I was able to get out and get some content for y'all today. Okay? So thank you, boo. Now that I'm home, I'm finna get in the shower. I'm finna get comfortable, oil myself down. I'm finna get in the bed. Try to watch a movie. Ain't gonna watch too much because I know I'm already exhausted. And yeah, I'm finna fall asleep. Okay? I don't know what it is about Saturdays, but yeah, I'm not doing nothing on Saturdays again because everything be packed. I mean, duh, obviously. But during the week, I know for a fact, ain't nobody gonna be doing nothing during the week. So I'm gonna be doing stuff during the week. Okay? So that way ain't nobody around me. None of that. I'm able to do stuff. Cause I wanted to go bowling and it was a lot of people. Like a lot of people. And I wasn't able to do that. So yeah. That's that. But yeah, y'all. Like I said in this video. And I see y'all when I come out with something new. Bye.